unbox my video that I just got in the mail. Matter of fact, I have three items that I want to show you, which to me, I feel that they are, if not the most important items that one needs in terms of video recording, at least they are among the best or most important five items that you need to invest in order for you to take video recording seriously. You know, these days, literally every single day, we are living in the era where we are capturing moments either for personal use or it's actually become something that literally everybody in the household is doing and posting in one way or the other on a social media platform. So I've been using my cell phone for the longest, just like a majority of people, of course. Our cell phones do a great job. This video right here was recorded with my cell phone as well, just like all my other videos. But I said, you know what? It is time. It's time for me to bump it up a notch. So I got myself this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And yeah, I got the professional type, I believe that's what it's called, which comes with at least whatever essentials that you need for the camera. So this right here is the cover. It's like the protector of the camera. That is the first item. And then also it comes with this case, which has so many different compartments. And it's so nice and slick, super small. And yeah, that is where the camera fits. I just kind of thought that I need just one little thing which I can just pick up anytime and I'm good to go. And of course, this is the camera. You see how small it is? And it comes with this stand. I believe this is a stand. And it has two batteries, but yeah, two batteries. Yeah, so this is an extra battery. The long one is the extra battery, but anyways, I just fixed it on there. And when you put the batteries, it becomes longer, and then under the battery you can attach the little stand. How I wish it could get longer, but yeah, it's very short. That's one con I feel. But anywho, doesn't matter as such. So this is the other battery. It's a small one and it has a speaker. So I loved this type of camera because it comes with all these these essential items. So that is a speaker, and of course it has a charger, just one line of a charger that it comes with. And this charger right here connects to a USB-C port charging unit, which doesn't come with a camera. Can you imagine? And there are these lenses. These are extra lenses which you can attach on the camera when you are recording if you want the wide angles and stuff like that. And it has that lanyard for the wrist, which I think is very important. But I went ahead and bought a few other items. This camera uses a micro SD card, and I got this one, which is 256 gigs. And as well, I went to the Apple store. Well, I ordered. I didn't go to the stores themselves, but I did order. Now, this right here is the multi-port Pro Adapter V2. I got it from the Apple store. And this item is so good because you can use it with so many different kind of cards. So if you have the micro SD card, it has a port for it. If you have the normal ones, it has a port for it. So you can connect it, you can use it if you capture your videos with different kind of saving devices. They can get attached on here. As you can see, so many different ports. So I was like, you know what, in this day and age, I want to be ready for whatever comes. And I think this adapter is like the next generation. So, anywho, that is all I got. Thank you for watching.